2012 Ford Focus. Today I'll be showing you guys how to clean the electronic throttle body. First step is you need to disconnect the battery terminal. You just disconnect the negative. Second step is you need to remove this. So you just, it's 1 and 2 clip. You just push the tab, take this off, push this tab right here, it'll pop right out. And you can use a flat to loosen this one and this one up. Go ahead and pull it and then twist it. There you go. Now you need to open the flap like this, and you can put a flat screwdriver here to hold it open, and get a clean paper towel and use this. Make sure you use the one just for specially made for a throttle body. Don't use any brake cleaner or any of those stuff. Spray it, clean it, wipe it off, put everything back. That's it.